Ngayong araw po, gagawa tayo ng DIY project gamit ang mga recyclable materials. Ang mga kakailangan natin ay cardboard, plastic spoons, at glue gun, at saka spray paint. Gagawa po tayo ng wall decor at gagamitin natin ang mga materials ito.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, when you feel like you got nowhere else to go, no, I'll hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go, I'll never let you go, I'll never let you go.
Tapos na po tayo magdikit. Lalagyan na lang po natin ng sabitan at isispray natin.
When your heart is racing